Hi everybody, this is Squid Chemistry here, and in this tutorial I will be going over the basics of the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Now, some prerequisites for this tutorial is basic knowledge of unit conversion and a very, very basic foundation of chemistry. Now, before we actually get into all the nitty-gritty, we should probably know what we're going to do. So, what I'm going to go over is some basic formulae and some basic structures that will set up Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. And then I'll actually go over Heisenberg's uncertainty principle as altogether. So let's start off with laying some foundations, and then we'll progress from there. So some foundations will be, so we know we have, so what Heisenberg's uncertainty principle says, just for some foundations, is if we have an electron and we want to know where it is and how it's moving, we don't know that, we want to know. That is the basic Heisenberg uncertainty principle. And you can also do other stuff like saying if we know where its position is, we can find out how it's moving. If we know how it's moving, we can find out the position. But that's stuff of a different story. So let's start with some foundations. If we know x position, or we don't know x position, and position is basically just the position. It's just like meters, whatever it is. That's position. But speed is a bit different. So if we want to find speed, that's meters times velocity squared. So it's mass times, no, it's meters, it's mass times velocity squared. So that is some basic foundations. So now let's go into the actual Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So if I were to just write out Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, it wouldn't make much sense to you, but this is Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. So that's Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Now let's go into dissecting it. This here is the position, and this here is the speed. So we want to find both the position and the speed. This here is h bar, or Planck's constant. Ooh, Jesus, my handwriting's having a crazy day today. So that's Heisenberg's uncertainty principle dissected. Now, so to find the position and the speed, we would want to, so to find the speed, we would want to divide Planck's constant by 2, and if we wanted to find position, we would divide it by Planck's constant over 2. But it doesn't stop there. It's not that simple. We want to do some conversions. So I'm not actually going to go into any specifics of conversions or do any examples, but if we want to find the position, then we want to do Planck's constant over 2, which is in joules per second. And we want to convert joules per second if we want to find the speed into meters per second squared. We want to convert that into meters per second squared, and if we want to find the position, we would want to convert joules per second into meters. So that is basically Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, and that is how you go about using it. So, yes, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in another tutorial. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you liked it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please say so in the comments below, and adios!